So here, we have 36 cars that are going to be racing. We're going to start off with the first. Okay. Now.
Hot Wheels racers, take your lane.
Lane 6.
Lane 6.
This car goes into the second heat. These cars, they get put in a pile. Okay, now we'll start the next heat. Wait, now we'll start the next one. You see here we have a stock car that's going to be racing in lane 6. Patty, actually I took that up some. Okay, now here they go. Lane 6
Lane
wins.
6.
This car goes into the second heat. These cars go into the pile. When go, no,
Keep going, Mom.
she messed it up.
You can keep going. See twice whether it messes it up or not.
When can you please go on?
Yeah, Ian's making a movie. He'll stay out of his
I made
movie.
a deal with her.
Okay. Keep going.
I'm quitting with you. Okay, now we're... Ian said he would buy me a light pink or purple thing that comes with a trailer.
If what?
If I gave him that and now he's not doing that.
What was your deal, Ian?
I also said if she would also not be in the movie.
I think you broke the deal, Anna.
I didn't try to. Well, now you did. I couldn't. No,
Now you definitely did, because you're messing up Ian's movie. Okay, hush.
Daddy, can you
What?
just please start?
You can keep going, bud. We'll take this part out.
No, I really want to restart.
I really don't. We're not gonna have time to do this if we restart every time. Keep going. We'll take this part out. Keep going. We'll take this part out.
God, where I was.
What do you mean where you was? There's cars on the track. Make them go.
Oh, yeah. Can you do it?
Yes.
Okay, now here we have some more cars. Winner,
Winner, lane 4.
that was this car.
Hush.
Okay, now we're going to start another loop. Okay, here they go.
Winner, lane 1.
That was this car. Okay, now we're going to have another glue place. After we find out the winner, we're going to race the monster trucks and race that winner car against the monster trucks too. After we do both. Okay, here they go.
Winner, lane 3.
That was this car. And it don't. But you broke the deal. No, I didn't. You just.
Man, get out of the movie.
Okay, now here are some more cars. This will be the last first heat round. The one after this will be the second heat to see who's the real winner. Ready, set, go!
Winner, lane 2.
That was this car. Okay, now we have another car. Now we have the second key. Here's. We're going to switch them around. Lane 1, lane 2, lane 3. Well, yeah. Lane 3, lane 4, lane 5, and lane 6. We'll see who is the very winner. And then we'll race monster trucks and then compete the winner against the winning monster truck.
Winner, lane 5.
It is this car. This is the full-time winner of all these cars. Look at all the 35 cars that lost, all in a pile. Now we're going to hold the winner right there. But since we can't fit 3 monster trucks on, and I have 3, we're going to put 2 on, see which is the winner. Gravedigger.
Winner, Lane 5.
That's Gravedigger. The Hot Wheels monster truck is out. Now Gravedigger's gonna race against World Final.
Winner, Lane 1.
Gravedigger wins. Now we're gonna have Gravedigger compete against the winning car and see which one can win. And ready, set, go!
Winner, Lane 1.
The car wins. This car beat the monster trucks and all the 35 race cars.
Cool.
Gravedigger was second place in it. Gravedigger went up to 2 for the monster trucks. Gravedigger was the winning monster truck, and this car was the winning car and winning monster truck race. Now we're done.